These Beanie Weanies are coming straight to you out of Tammy's outdoor kitchen, deep in the woods of North Florida. What a better place to learn how to cook Beanie Weanies. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, we're out here and Tammy is busy making her broth for another video, and it's kind of interfering with you know, a traditional you know, let's cook this kind of meal, right?
Right.
But and then she asked me if we could have you know, this one particular item, and you know, I said, you know what, I said, I love that. And she says, well, I just wanted to check to make sure. And so what we're going to be doing tonight, well, what she's going to be doing, it's going to be real quick.
Yeah.
Okay? Because all you need is a can of baked beans and some hot dogs. Maybe a little bit of brown sugar will help.
Yeah.
We got some of that. And there's the dogs.
And that.
And the onion. You gonna put that pepper in there too?
Yeah.
And we're gonna put a bell pepper. That's kind of like going overboard.
Okay, the ingredients were so easy. Randy's already gave them to you. So we'll just do a little once over here and then we'll get started. All right. Brown sugar, hot dogs, baked beans, a bell pepper, and onion. All right. Now these aren't necessary. They, you know, they do make it taste a whole lot better. It's kind of like grown-up Beanie Weanies. But they're not necessary. You don't have to have them, but they're going in mine. All right, we're going to get this on a medium flame, and we're going to let that pan get hot. All right, let's go ahead and cut these. I'm going to use about a half of this onion, and I'm going to dice it really fine. I'll still use the big half. And remember, don't throw these away because they make excellent, excellent veggie broth. Or you could add them to your chicken or beef broth even. About a tablespoon of butter. And we're just going to drop that. Yeah, it's hot. It's sizzling. Okay. Okay, and we're just going to give those a stir. And we're going to let them get pretty soft. And then we're going to add our hot dog.
We're gonna have a little educational session right here, okay? Now, what you gotta understand is I'm almost 60 years old. Give me another week and a half, okay? And I know a little something about hot dogs. And I will tell you this. Back when Tammy and I were raising the kids, and they were all little, and we didn't have any money, Tammy bought chicken dogs. Cheap, inexpensive, Philly. And then, one time she got a hold of some beef frank, regular all beef hot dogs. She put them into Beanie Weanies. I don't like them. I said, don't put no more all beef hot dogs in my Beanie Weanies. So what do you call them? Zucchinis? Not me.
Yeah, Randy's really right about those dogs. The kids much preferred the chicken hot dogs, which was great for me because back then you could get a big pack of hot dogs for like 88 cents, you know, because we're talking late 80s, early 90s, you know, and it wasn't any, you know, you could put a whole meal on the table and feed 7 people for $5. Now that's absolutely impossible now, but You know, back then it was doable, but $5 was a lot of money too. So it just, I guess it all just depends. You know, whatever time you're living in, it's rough all over. Alright, and for a special treat for Randy tonight, since he's letting me get away with Beanie Weanies, we're going to have some fresh whole kernel corn that my neighbor gave me. It is awesome looking, and we're going to enjoy it. Okay, we're going to get this can and put it in the pan, and we'll be ready to go. Alrighty then, here we go. Sizzle, sizzle. Alright, we're going to get those in the pan. And we're going to get us a little brown sugar and top it off. Okay, I'm going to put about 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. And I'm not going to pack it. I'm just going to just lightly just sprinkle it over the top. Alright, we're just going to drop these right on in this bowl. That way I don't have to mess up something else. There. There we go. Single ear of this corn. A little bit of pat of butter. And dinner is done. Y'all have a great evening. Bye.